Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to talk about some more CSS text properties. So our HTML is going to stay exactly the same. Let's just dive into CSS. Now we have covered so many of those properties, text properties already. Let's cover the important ones that are left. So the first one that I'm going to cover in this lecture is going to be text transform. This is going to specify where you want to capitalize your word, you want to lowercase it, you want to basically sentence case it. So it's something like that. So first, if you say text transform uppercase, it's going to uppercase your text. All the words are going to be capital, as you can see right here. There is another value for this, which is text transform lowercase. All the words are going to be lowercase, as you can see it right here. And the other one that we are going to, not text align, text transform, that we're going to use is capitalize. Now, capitalize is going to capitalize the first letter of each word. So if you provide it on a paragraph, that is what it is going to do. Let's save that. Let's take a look at that, how it is going to work when it is applied on a paragraph. There we go. Each word's first letter is actually capital. There we go. Let me just comment that one out. Let's move on to H6 and our next text property. Now, sometimes you want to space out the letters in a specific word for aesthetic purposes, of course. So I'm going to zoom in. There we go. So this is our H6. This is how it normally looks like. Let's say letter spacing. Let's provide it to 4 pixels, a large value so you can see the difference. There we go. Now these letters are spaced out evenly, of course. And finally, let's grab our paragraph. You could also space out the words as well in a paragraph. So let me just zoom out so you can see that better. So it's word spacing. Let's provide it with 5 pixels this time. There we go. So there is 5 pixels of space between each of the 2 words, or among all the words. And finally, we have our line height, which is very important, and that is going to determine the height of lines within our paragraphs and all of the lines that we have in our HTML page. If you provide it like that, there we go, and these values are applied. With this, our text properties come to an end. See you in the next one.